Have you had an itchy, runny nose? Maybe you've felt a little congested lately. If so, you're not alone.
Yep, allergy season is already in full swing. KZCI's Kim St. Onge is live in downtown Des Moines with what people can do to help themselves through this. Hey, Kim.
Hey, good morning, Steve and Elizabeth. I think a lot of people are going to want to listen up because I think some folks are already experiencing these tough allergy symptoms. I think you were saying, Steve, you might be dealing with. Elizabeth, you may have told me you're dealing with it too. So I think a lot of people not having the best time because, like you were saying, allergy season is already in full swing. And I think a lot of people might be coming here to the Sculpture Park where I am live right now, maybe to enjoy the warmer weather we're expecting today, like Curtis was saying. But, you know, people might be heading back to the office, blowing their nose, sneezing, coughing, things like that. It's really going to be that tree pollen that's going to be causing that. If you do experience that later on today, if you're outside for quite a bit, that tree pollen that's pretty bad right now, this is going to last until about mid-May or so, and then grass pollen is going to take over. That's going to be worse from April through summer, and then weeds will be from summer through fall or the first freeze. So really what I learned that I didn't really know before was that, you know, allergy season really goes from March until almost, in some cases, November, December even. So this isn't, you know, a quick little thing we're dealing with right now. Something else to note is that pollen levels usually peak early to late morning. So right now, if you're heading out the door, they're also usually higher on dry, warm, and windy days, also like we're going to have today. So again, not the best day for allergies if you are suffering from them. A local allergist I talk with says that the recent weather we've had, we're going from 50 degrees one day and then we're dropping maybe to 20 degrees, even -10 in some cases like we've had this winter. She's saying that that really can make these allergy symptoms even worse.
Anytime you're getting a nice warm day, especially when it's windy, you get the pollen stirring up in the air and the ground starts to thaw, you're going to see more pollen in the air. Then you get a freeze and things calm down and then it starts right up again.
The lovely cycle of freezing again and then going back up to nice warm weather. We do love it to have a nice day, to have, you know, 50-degree weather, but of course, again, not the best for allergies. I can tell you that one thing you can do if you do have this, you might already know about this, would be to take an oral antihistamine. That would be things like Claritin, Allegra, Benadryl, things like that. Might just give you some temporary relief, but, you know, one of the biggest things you can do, guys, would be simply to cover yourself up, maybe wear a hat, sunglasses if you go outside. Also, wash your face, wash your body, really, if you do go outside, just to get rid of that pollen that's been blowing around from the wind.
Yeah, bathing is always good, generally.
Yeah, bathing's a good thing. It's personal hygiene's a good thing.
Thanks, Kim.